Hello, Mitchell Middle School, Mr. Brown here. Hey, assemblies went pretty well. And I think there was some confusion about what I said about the free t-shirts. Some of y'all came up and said, where are the free t-shirts? Well, I'm giving away 2 free t-shirts for each grade. 6th, 7th, 8th grade, each get 2 shirts. Now, the way you enter to win is by filling out this form, saying something you learned from the assembly. And I want you to write your name legibly, what grade you're in, and something you took away from the assembly, something you liked, maybe something you learned, something that made you think. You can write as much or as little as you want to, but I want something cohesive, something coherent, not just like choose well, oh yeah, I'm glad you came away with that, but I want you to come away with a little bit more. Then I will do a drawing. And anyway, I hope you got something from the assembly. Like I said, it's all about choices. Better choices, better life, so choose well. Your life is up to you. You can make excuses you want to, but at the end of the day, it is your life. Make the best choice you can and get that perspective that your life can be what you want. You're in a temporary stage in life. You're somewhere between the ages of 11 and 14, maybe 15. You got a long life ahead of you. So make choices now to protect your future. You'll be seeing some videos from me in the future. Your teacher will be showing you some. Hey, I hope they can lead to conversations about your life. And don't be afraid to share. Share your story, because your story helps somebody else's story. Don't be worried about people laughing at you. The truth is, people will laugh at you regardless, right? So don't be controlled by people. Let me share with you one more thing before I go. One of my favorite songs is by a guy named Andy Mineo. The song is entitled None of My Business. And it starts off by saying this: if you don't like me, that's your problem. But when I let it bother me, that's my problem, and I got enough problems. If somebody don't like you or something you say or something you do, that's their problem. Don't take it as your problem. Don't try to change for them. You be you and enjoy your life. We take that and some other things, put in your invisible backpack, and always remember, when you make better choices, you will live a better life. So choose well. Oh yeah.